Hello my adorables. Welcome to my channel everyone. Today I have a PR package from gbfke and I know where it's from because I peeked in the bag. Dobby is right here. There's her tail. She's always underfoot. Okay. Alright, so let's open this up and see what's in it. This from gbfke, gbfke, gbfke. Alright. This one is the one I am most anxious to see. It's a 30 by 80 because I'm kind of in love with their 30 by 80s. I like that size. And the last two images I got, I love them. I'm blinging them up with the crystals. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. It's a shelf in the sunroom. And it's got plants, pots of plants. It's got all kinds of little bottles on the shelf. This is freaking awesome. I was thinking line blocking, like all, yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, okay, okay. And it comes in baby bags. So that slows me down to where it's like, I just open them kind of as needed, like 3 at a time or something. Don't get overwhelmed with them. Okay, so let's look at the thumbnail. That's nice. Oh my god, I hope it turns out. Of course it will. Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? It doesn't look like super crazy confetti. It looks like some nice color blocking, whether it's in lines or little group sections. You get your confetti where you need it. Look at all them shelves. And it's got the door here. You can see outside. Door or window. I guess it's a window. And oh, this is for the old Waitford windows. Maybe. I've never seen one like visible. Usually they're in the window frame. Unless it's for the blind. It could be that. It could be for the blind. Let's just take it down and do it this way. Easier for me. That's so inviting. I would work on it right now because I have nothing going, and I pulled out 3 different canvases. I turned around and put them all back away because I seen the drill fields, and I'm like, I don't feel like doing that. Like this little girl, it was like basically the whole canvas was black except for her eyes and some highlights in her hair and the cat's eyes. And I was like, I'm not up for it. Look at that. And there's bottles. And I have no doubt that those bright spots are going to look like light reflecting off the bottle, just like it's reflecting off the plastic. Okay, 30 colors. 30 colors, that's interesting. So we got our alphabet and we got our numbers up there, 1 through 8. And we got a couple symbols at the end. That's awesome. This thumbnail looks kind of cut off, but not by much. Just a little tiny bit. No biggie. Okay, I love that. So I'm happy. I'm completely happy. I'm not going to try to fix the plastic because it's long. Do I want to try that? Maybe I should. Maybe I should. Okay. You hold it with your thigh against the table. Run it straight up. That didn't work. Is it all good? Looks all good. Got that good. Okay. happy camper today. Honestly, I kind of get lost in space and time, so I thought this was going to be another week before I got it. No, and I'm not putting this under the iron either. This is, it's got some waves. There's no creases in it. So I'm just going to flatten it regular. Let's look at the baby bags. Somebody 898 on something there, because I guess the numbers come off sometimes. A little bit hard to see. So we're looking at wood and leaves and jars, a little bit of red paint on something maybe. Probably paint it some kind of cherry color. Who knows? Look at this one though. There it is. That's a nice one. And then we got some herbs and things inside. They just look like all brown. There's some green. There we go. Make me happy with green. One individual baby bag. Okay. Cream color. All right. Okay. I am satisfied. Let's move this. I'm glad it's here so I could order the next ones, because I really want to get more of those window frames or the girls. So this one, canvas number 2, and they have their toolkits with them, okay? Basic toolkit. See if I can get it in. Ooh, fought. No, it kind of looked like it was going in the bin and it missed. I'll show you. I'm throwing them in that big bin, because I don't know where to put the bin right now, so it's just out of my way right there. And then I wanted to clear off the chair, and I had all, oh my god, they're like 100 drill kits that were on the chair. Oh, this girl, she's in baby bags too. She has 30 colors, exact same thing. It's 1 through 8, and then down to 3 symbols at the end. Oh, I love it. When I saw this, I was thinking like crystal heaven for in here and up in here. And I don't know, looking at it now, I don't know if I could do it. But like I seen it. Let me show you here. Now there's more. These things I'm showing you today, there are... Okay, here it goes. There are multiple selections for each one. Look at that. And I thought, oh, I've got to get that and try it. So I will be trying to bling it up. I have to use like 2 different colors for each one. Look at her dress. I don't think that's coming. You can see it kind of in her arm here. So they've got a sale going on. Buy 3, get 1 free. Oh yeah, so this is all up in her neck and everything. But they just ignore that. Okay, good. And so where you see it here on her arm, well, it's going to look like one of those long gloves, I suppose. So yeah, it's supposed to be all connected to there, but you're not ever going to see that kind of a print. You'd have to get it very, very large. And I'm glad they didn't focus on that and put some weird colors in there. I'm glad whoever did this didn't pay any attention to that. Let's look at this again here. It's got flowers over here. Okay, let's see. No. Oh no. I'm trying to show you the other selections that there are. It goes down further. Okay, so here goes the little boop. Hens and chicks. I think those are called hens and chicks. I'm not sure. Okay, so there's 8 different girls. Okay, wait. Here they go. Okay, Those are cool. I thought about the yellow one for something different. I thought about this, and I was like, no, you got enough blue stuff. And I'm like, I don't have nothing like that. I thought if I could get the blings in there, some of them anyway, that it would be good. They just got so much stuff I'm interested in. Okay, and then while I'm in the tablet, I'll show you the other one. And there goes that big piece of light. Look at that. That's something you'd see in my grandmother's house. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. And there's a bunch of those. What, 3? 5. 5 different ones here. Okay, so my choice is here in the middle. And there's this one. Here's a white girl. Here's a dark girl. I think that's... No. Then... Well, this one is nice and leafy too. Like, if you were going to put them together, it would look really nice. So I like them all. I like them all. It doesn't matter. Okay, so out of there, out of there, out of there. Close it off. Oh, I didn't look at the prices. Hopefully the price, you guys seen the price. And here's some drills, baby bags. We're going to look at those. This is big too, so let's just come down to it. Well, you'd have to get your colors and know which 2 or 3 colors you were going to blend, you know, and then maybe like get all the blue. There's a lot of blue, so there's blue that are like green. I don't know, but I am going to try it. Even like light over here, I don't know. It's in my mind, like I want to try. So if I can't figure it out after I sit down with everything, then I will just do it as it is. So here you can see the line, the pattern here. All these flowers. I see her thumbnail. It was just so nice. So here it looks like she got a bald spot on her head, but yeah, because those are all ends. But it's her hair. I don't really like that part. I'm just maybe color that in like it's hair. I don't know. It looks awful big. You know? Doesn't it? I don't know. Can you tell? Well, you can tell this is her hairline. We'll see. We'll see. I'm very interested in this one. She's a project. I'm saving her for when I'm in the mood for a project. Okay, maybe I should flatten it before I store it. These are going to get put under the bed ASAP. I can hear a bubble. That's a big bubble. Did it come out? Okay. Yeah, I was excited to get these two. Okay. That's a 40 by 70. And let's check her colors out. We can open this and look. Yeah, everything under the sun in here. She's got a lot of colors. 30 colors is a lot. Here we go in the light colors. Lots of them too. I'm very happy to see that. And it's not going to be really dark, you know. Like maybe down here it'll be a little bit dark. But this is good. This is good. Oh, Thank you, Nathan. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. Some awesome, get this camera pulled up more so you can see her face. Awesome images. Yeah, that's going to be fun. That's going to be fun. Like when you're swapping out crystals, unless you're going color for color, like this particular color, this is your A. This particular color, this is your X. And unless you're doing it like that, it's a big project. Because you go over, you got to find those colors everywhere. You got to keep remembering what you're doing and thinking. Like with my city, I tried to do just 2 colors per building, and then I ran out of colors, and then I'm just putting certain things everywhere. It was just, crazy with the crystals. Also, what I'm gonna check on their AB drills again, because they're like $8. So I think I want some of them. I might have to place an order with them. I got some stuff, and gbfke, right now, it's the only place I actually want to place an order with. I love their prices. They got the best prices, and their customer service is good because I don't really have problems, and the few little problems I have, I talk to Nathan, and, you know, really, I don't have any with buying. When I bought it, like, he didn't even know. He didn't even know I bought anything. You know, I just did. I got like almost a dozen canvases from them. You know, it's not, I don't know. I don't think he's the owner of the company, the person I'm talking to. So anyways, let me stop ruining my video with my nonsensical chat and tell everybody I am glad that you came here to watch my video. I hope you're having a great day, and God bless all my adorables. Peace out.